Uh, the Artwork project that we are going to hold this project with Christine from the Pedal Box project, Batman Soccer, Win Network, and Concordia Sustainability Action Fund. It's an idea that we would have two bikes with two trailers that we go to different neighborhoods, especially next to the social housing, and we can distribute art materials or hold pop-up art hives. I asked Christine to give a short description of the Pedal Box Gallery. Would you, Christine?
Yeah, absolutely. So what you're seeing here are photos from Victoria on this project Pedal Box Gallery that I worked on from 2014 until 2018 before moving here to be a full-time student at Concordia. And from the day I got here, I knew I wanted to do Pedal Box Gallery in Montreal. The person I was working on it with in Victoria gave me the blessing to carry forward the name and the little nice logo we have at the end of that image there of the where you're seeing the trailer with a flag at the end. It's black with like a white person, like a white silhouette of a figure on a bike. And yeah, anyways, it's honestly, when I came onto this project, it was one of the most fun things I've ever done in my life. And I just want to keep doing it. And I hope that other people enjoy it too. And that's kind of the whole purpose behind it, is to have sort of spontaneous interactions in public space. And the fact that it's on a bike trailer makes it really flexible in terms of how it can interact with community. You know, it's not fixed to a particular location, but it also can be a logistical tool as it functions to carry items, but we've also sort of used it in innovative ways to actually be a gallery space, to actually feature artists' work on it. So with the two images you're seeing, one is an example of, say, an exhibition where artwork's being featured on it. And then the other image is an activity that's more directed to community engagement, where I came up with this project idea called Connect the Dots. And we have two pieces of plywood, and I had put a bunch of nails into the board, kind of taking inspiration from the connect the dots you'd see on a piece of paper that you might have done as a child, where you draw from one dot to another and eventually you see an image. And I had a bunch of yarn in a basket from, I just grabbed from thrift stores and then just left it out. A pair of scissors were there, and I think it was pretty self-explanatory. We have children interacting with it, adults interacting with it, and eventually the image starts to emerge. So, you know, that's one of the activities that I came up with that I found worked really well, that I think could be replicated and, you know, in any way. I'm not sure, like, it's trickier with COVID, so, you know, in terms of social distancing, but yeah, I think that the ideas are pretty limitless in terms of, if you just think about a bike trailer can have anything on it. So it really, Pedalbox becomes this vessel for whatever and whoever is collaborating with it. New things can emerge. And that's what really excites me. So I'm glad to be meeting everyone today and to hear about how Pedalbox Gallery might be able to pop into a neighborhood near you this summer. And also, I am currently building Pedalbox Gallery 2.0. So I'm creating like an updated version based on the things I liked about the trailer we're seeing in this image and the things I didn't like. So hopefully you will encounter it in the future. That is all. I feel I've said too much, but it's I'm super passionate about it. So, and I'm excited to work with Mo on this project and Sucker.
Yeah, I'm also so excited working. Yeah, thank you, Christine.